Hi everyone, it's TK. So today I wanted to show you guys how to make two different kind of drinks to stay warm and healthy. And both of them are really easy to make and have great health benefits, so do give it a try if you want to make a cozy and tasty drink at home. Alright, so let's get started first, starting with matcha. There's a lot of health benefits of drinking matcha. It's packed with antioxidants, and it's said that drinking 1 cup of matcha tea has as many antioxidants as drinking 10 cups of brewed green tea. So you first take 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of matcha powder. I use a sifter so that no lumps remain in the matcha latte, but this is up to you. And then after that, add 2 tablespoons of hot water, and then make sure you stir it well after that. I got this with like a cocoa mix set that my friend gave me, but you can just mix it with a spoon or any other utensil. Just make sure that no lumps remain and the matcha powder dissolves completely. I also like to add a little bit of honey in my matcha latte to make it sweet, maybe like 1 to 2 rounds, but you can adjust the level of sweetness depending on how sweet you want it, and make sure you stir it well after that as well. Alright, so this is where the magic happens. Well, not really magic, but this is a handy dandy frother. You can get it off of Amazon or like Target or somewhere. I heated up the milk about 30 seconds to 1 minute, and I frothed the milk a little bit to maybe to a point where it's like double the amount. After you're done preparing the milk, you can just add it to the matcha. I wish I could do some fancy latte art, matcha latte art, but I can't, so I'm just gonna pour it in there. And I'll just stir it to make it look clean and pretty. And there you have it, a matcha latte. Yay! And the second one is Samahan tea. So I've talked about Samahan in my other video. It's an Ayurvedic tea with 14 different kinds of spice and herbs like ginger, black pepper, and more. It's used to treat cold and flu-like symptoms, so perfect for this winter. So you can pour 1 bag of Samahan in a cup and then add maybe about 4 tablespoons of hot water into the cup, and make sure you stir it well. Samahan is water soluble, so it dissolves pretty easily in hot water. Alright, after that, similar to the matcha latte, I got hot milk, steam milk, so I just use the frother and make the frothed milk. And then you can just pour it into the cup of Samahan tea, and I usually top it with some cinnamon as well. And that's it. So I used whole milk, but you can use like 2% soy milk or any other milk that you want to give it a try. And as for Samahan, I ordered it off of Amazon. I've never seen it at like a local grocery store, but if you've seen it before, you can just buy it there as well. So if you have any questions, or if you do decide to give it a try, leave that in the comments below and let me know how it went. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos and health tips living in Colorado and Denver and more. Alright, that's it for today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!